Hi everyone, it's Ashley from Shop Your Cutie Boutique on eBay and Poshmark. I am back again with the fourth and final unboxing of my Thredup rescue boxes. So the first three have been okay. The first one that we did was definitely the best. The other two have been okay. I definitely think I'll be able to make my money back, but I'm excited to open this last one and see what we got. Hopefully the best was saved for last. We'll find out. All these come in 50-pound boxes. I ordered the 200-pound option, so I got 4 boxes of 50, and that's how I ended up with 4 boxes. And let's see what we have. Got tissue paper. All right, I think on top here, this is a good sign. This is a Disney Park t-shirt. Super cute, Mickey Mouse, and it's a good size. This is like a, well, it's a Chinese, maybe? No. It's a 1X, so Disney 1X t-shirt. That should sell really quick and easily, actually. Like, I have a lot of good luck with Disney park wear, so this one's actually really good and exciting. Next, we have Maven West shorts. See a lot of black on top, that's okay. Daisy, size large blouse. Never heard of this brand. Oh, it's a dress, excuse me. It's a dress with mesh sleeves. These are shorts that don't look like they have a tag, but they look kind of high-end. Oh, this is exciting. These are Viore shorts. These are really high-end, like expensive brand, trendy. These don't have a tag, but I'd probably say a small, extra small. It will be hard for me not to keep these, but I will definitely sell them. That is exciting. So far, this box has been good, and I've opened 4 things. Don't want to jinx it, though. I don't have any wood to knock on. Okay. This is a New Tags H&M sweater. And we got some Massimo Target dress pants. I feel like I'm getting a lot of dress pants. This is a good brand. We got Can size 25 denim jeans. These are cute. We have women's Casper tank top. This is another sweater. Pink Rose turtleneck sweater. Hopefully this box isn't one of those. They put a couple good things on top and the rest is not great. We have an Aster, the label medium blouse. All Saints dress. That's really good brand as well. It's a high-end luxury brand. This looks not as nice. It's Target, or excuse me, Old Navy tank top. You have something purpley velvet here. Brand Waters and Waters, which I think is a designer brand. Purple like evening gown. Got a coat. This is an Old Navy jacket. This is New Tags. Guess it's not New Tags. Andre tank top. Target, a New Day sweater. Wear Chinese brand mini dress. The limited silk midi dress, or skirt, excuse me. This is a Magashoni cropped pullover hoodie. This is a New Tags Artisans tank top from the Dole Plantation in Hawaii. So if you want to tell your friends you went to Hawaii but you didn't actually go, I have the t-shirt for you. All right, and then we have Liverpool, Los Angeles jeans in red. These are cute, have a like rope tie belt. Hollister off the shoulders, white crinkle blouse. Another Hollister crinkle blouse, probably from the same person. This is a Old Navy, like vintage Old Navy maxi skirt. Another jacket, this is a vest. Champion from Target vest. Very nice shape. This is Noelle, olive green blouse. Another skirt. This is, oh, sorry, not a skirt. Not Old Navy either. Universal thread Target. Lauren Conrad for Kohl's blouse. Jerry C. New York skirt. Actually, I don't think that's a skirt. This looks like a 90s tube top shirt. Old Navy sweater. Urban Renewal blouse. Another sweater. Mercer Street Studio cardigan. Simplicity Jamie Sadek tennis golf shirt. Amaya little stretchy tank top. Old Navy midi skirt. This is a brand new Old Navy tank top. Tease Me white tiered dress. Looks like it should have a belt but does not. This is a kimchi blue cardigan sweater from Urban Outfitters. Pieces Mackenzie sweater. I've been getting lots of sweaters, which I like. You can usually sell them for a higher price point, which is awesome. This is Lily Rose. I think this is I think it's a dress, but it's a very short dress. Express long sleeve shirt. Forever 21, bell sleeve mini dress. Another Forever 21 cardigan. This is a no name brand mini skirt. We've got Lee yellow pants. Those would look great with your Dole Plantation Hawaii t-shirt. Very tropical. This is A plus row sweater. Not heard of this brand, so I'll have to look it up later, but it looks maybe higher end, not for sure. This is a dress from the brand Whistles, which I've never heard of either. It's a larger size. It is missing a hook, but that is easily replaceable. Missing two. This is a cute dress though. As a jumpsuit actually. Sheen long sleeve top. Walmart Time and True blouse. I can't say this name, but this is a higher end brand. L'Agence. Please don't make fun of me. L'Agence. This is a great shirt. a new Tags Massimo pants. These are definitely vintage. Primark top, very cute. Still has its buttons, so it's unworn. Time and True long sleeve top. Supply and Demand long sleeve blouse. Textile Elizabeth and James. Cargo green twill jacket. Got a fancy dress here. Oh, awesome. This is a Free People sequin dress. That's awesome. I have almost an exact shirt like this in my current Poshmark closet. This is a Hollister dress. This is Rare Editions, someone's prom dress. Though it looks very small, I feel like it might be a child size dress, because that definitely would not fit me. Forever 21 tank top. Gap black pants. Love Apella tank top. It's a W5, which I've seen at TJ Maxx blouse. Uniqlo sweater. It does have a stain on it, unfortunately. It's very soft. It is 100% cashmere, so may be able to get the stain out, maybe not. I don't know for sure. East on 5th blouse. Almost done, not quite. We got more Gap dress pants. We have our Urban Outfitters cropped little top. This is a WRQ Woman blouse. Sheen pants. There hasn't been as much sheen in this box, which is okay. New Tags TJ Maxx blouse. Sim and Sam. Ecru pants. I feel like all the black pants in every box are just covered in fuzzies, which is kind of funny. Alright, this is New Tags from the brand Commence. This is also, I think this is a good brand. Interesting little top. Reese, R-E-I-S-S, blouse. Learning a lot of brands I've never heard before, which is great. These are Gap brown dress pants. New Tags mustard seed, kind of distressed top. New, well, this isn't new, I should say, but very nice condition Jade Crew blazer. These are Roadrunner Sports women's shorts. Agnes B. Lolita shirt. This is a bodysuit of some sort. Princess Polly. This has the tag Dreamily. This looks like a swimsuit cover up. velvet pants from California Style, where the butt's very worn out in them. Someone loved those pants. Let's see. Angie pants. Sam's Club Members Mark long sleeve top. Soho Apparel pants. Tranquility brand golf skirt. It's a very interesting dress from a brand I don't know. The beads on the front also look great with your Hawaii shirt. Dress Barn blazer. A couple more things. This is New Tex Bowden blazer, which is awesome. Great find. And last we have a Premise blouse. So that is the end of my Thredup rescue boxes. They've been pretty good so far. I'm interested to see how well they will sell. I think I found a lot of good stuff. I plan on, selling these on Poshmark and Ebay, as well as maybe Facebook Marketplace, and I think maybe having a garage sale, and even taking some items to Plato's Closet, I think will be a great option to help move some of these items. Not sure if I'll do it again. We'll wait and see how well these sell, but it was super fun to open all these boxes and see what I got. I appreciate you watching these videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!